Okay, welcome back to day 15 of the Daily Red Heart Patterns. Today is going to be actually kind of a quick one because there's only six patterns here and they're all very similar. Well, at least four of them are very similar. So this is accessories, so just little jewelry type items that you can make using these red heart patterns. So the first three are very similar, and they're great for kiddos who are into making friendship bracelets. So I'm just going to open up the first one, and this one is called the Diamonds Friendship Bracelet. And for this, they use the Red Heart mini yarn. Now, the mini yarn is a little bit bigger than using embroidery floss, so these are going to whip up a lot faster than they would if you were to use embroidery floss. And it's a good thing because the faster you can make them, the more you can make, and then you can, make more of them for more friends. So I am going to just open up the pattern for this one just so you can kind of see what it looks like. But honestly, other than the literal diagram, most of these are pretty much the same as far as how they look, unless you're actually going to sit down and make it, and then you're going to be more interested in looking at the diagram. So this one makes a diamond pattern. It uses three different colors, I think. One, two, three. Yeah, three different colors. It shows you how to make the knots. And that's basically what you do is you knot these together. I'm not sure if you've ever made friendship bracelets when you were a kid or not. I know I did. But it's fun, and the kids really seem to enjoy doing it. They just follow the arrows. This is definitely something for someone who's already made friendship bracelets. In my opinion, it is an intermediate level project, but the good thing is YouTube is there, so you can always go to YouTube University and learn how to make them that way. All right, so I'm just going to go ahead and take a look at the other patterns for these types of bracelets. Like I said, they're really pretty much the same type of thing. They're just a different pattern. So this one was the diamond friendship bracelet. This one is the diagonal striped not a blanket, a bracelet. And honestly, I think that this is probably the most beginner friendly if you're just learning how to do this. That's just my opinion, but this is the one that I learned how to do first. Okay, and so the third bracelet of these friendship bracelets is the chevron stripe. So again, lots of fun to make these, especially for I would say the middle schooler, maybe high schooler, even, maybe fourth or fifth grade. I'm not sure. It depends on the kid, probably, but yeah, definitely fun for the kiddos. Okay, the next bracelet that I'm going to show you though is not one of those friendship bracelet type things. It is a bracelet that you could use for a friendship bracelet, but this is actually crocheted. So I'll open up this pattern just so you can take a look at how it's put together. If you've got a kiddo who is wanting to learn how to crochet, this is a really great first project. It's really just a chain and then one row, I want to say, of double crochet, and then another chain to make the button loop, and then you add the button on. It's really easy. It's definitely beginner friendly, and the nice thing about it is that there's a finished project at the end. You're not just, making a chain and learning stitches without anything to show for it. So this is really super beginner friendly. I just want to see what that stitch is. Maybe it's a half double crochet. No, I'm sorry, it's single crochet. Okay, so it's just one row of single crochet. Then you make the chain and add the button. And that is it. And it's really nice if you make it in like a variegated yarn because then it has a different pattern to it. Really cute idea for the little ones who want to learn how to crochet. Okay, we have two more accessory ideas left. This one is called the Beginner Penny Pocket Necklace. This is made with red heart with a love yarn. Okay, so I've never heard of this idea, but it says, who couldn't use a little luck? Make this sweet little pocket and keep your lucky penny close to hand. So that's really a cute little idea. See how they have the little penny there? They put it in the little pocket. I guess if you believe in lucky pennies, this might be a good project for you. It's certainly a cute idea. Okay, and our last idea today, this one was adorable in my opinion. I think they're really super duper cute. So we know that our kiddos love their Crocs, and some of us grown-ups love them as well. These are called Red Heart crochet button-on trims for Crocs. So a lot of kids like to and like I said, grown-ups too, they get the little accessories for their Crocs that button into these holes. So these are ones that you can make yourself. Now, I go to the Croc store once in a while up in Syracuse, and I know that they sell little buttons to put on your Crocs just to make them kind of your own, give them your own personality. So this works along the same lines. So I'm just going to open up the pattern so that you can get a closer look at what these little guys look like. So it looks like we have a sunshine here. I think this is an octopus and a fish and a bee and a ladybug and a flower. I'm just going to scroll down to see if I'm right. Yeah, here they are. So there's the octopus, the fish, the sun, the ladybug, the flower, and the bee. So how do they stick on the shoe was my big question. And after reading the pattern, I see what happens is that you have a 1-inch diameter flat white button, and then you sew that on there, and then because the croc material is flexible, you can actually, button it on like this is a buttonhole. And because it's a flat button, you don't feel it on your feet at all. So this is a really cute idea. I love this one. I think it's my favorite one of today. Which is your favorite one today? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear. All right, so that's going to do it for day 15, Red Heart Patterns accessories. I'll see you tomorrow with some more great Red Heart ideas. Until then, have a great night. Bye-bye.